facing issue with ElevenLabs like unusual activity detected? So I have a solution for it. I have 4 ways to solve the issue. First way is to clear browser's caches and websites' data. So go to your browser and clear all cache and website data. Once it's cleared, check your problem is solved or not. If not, then try second way, which is use a VPN for it. Via use of any VPN softwares, you can mask your PC's IP address for some time. For this, I am suggesting you to use free VPN services. You can just Google search to find free VPNs. Now, on the third way, use websites like Blockaway. By using these websites, you can directly use any website without VPN. Or you can say you are surfing a website virtually. Now, if this all way's not working for you, then try last way. The fourth and last way is to change your internet connection. Like if you are using Wi-Fi, then change it to mobile internet and vice versa. So after all steps, you can use ElevenLabs without any problems. If all solution fails, then comment down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.